Gary. So this is my very first video on DIY gift ideas and I'm very much excited for this. Also, these gifts can be given on occasions like birthdays and anniversaries or any other special day for you. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and please watch it till end. And now without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Take a small chart paper of square shape. I took it in about 10 centimeter and then fold both the opposite ends like this inwards. After that, fold this third portion and when you will open it, you will get small line like this. Now you have to take the opposite side and fold it like this so that its tip touches this line. And after you will open this, you will find two small triangles, if you can see clearly. These two small little triangles, you just have to cut them out, and when you will cut it, you will get a shape like this. Now it will really become very easy for you to fold it inwards. You will find such a small flip on the top, you just have to fold it inwards. So with the help of white glue or Fevistick, you just have to stick these ends like this to form a small little envelope. Just paste it inwards and your envelope is ready. So you can make them of any other color. I had blue chart paper, so I made it all in blue. You can go for different colors if you want to. And I made 4 such envelopes. So they all were looking a little simple, so I thought to draw something on them. So with the help of marker, I'm just making these small little dots. Now you can make any other pattern of your choice or any other design if you want to. It is totally up to you. I'm making this one because I thought it is very easy and quick. And on the other envelope, I thought to make small little hearts. Again, I'm using a marker. This step was really very quick. And all my cute little envelopes are ready. After that, I took this pink sheet. I took a part from the corner and now I'm going to fold it 4 times because I have 4 envelopes. And you have to fold them like this. Now one by one, apply white glue and stick these envelopes on the sheet. In case you are making it for someone's birthday, you can write happy birthday on a small paper like this and you can stick it on the top. And then I just made a small heart on red chart paper. You can even make it for anniversaries or any other special occasion. Also write your small little message or birthday wish or any other memory which you want to share with that person and just put it inside this envelope and you're ready to gift it. I really thought it was a good idea, plus I personally love handmade gifts. They really show your efforts and care for the person. Okay, so now for the second one, take such small chart papers, some washi tapes of different colors and such alphabet stickers. Now I'm simply going to paste alphabet according to the person's name. For example, here I took my personal name. And I'm going to just show you how you have to do it. On the bottom, paste some washi tapes like this. Make a small little hole on the corner. And like this, you can write all the qualities you like about the person in alphabetical order. I had this small ring of my old keychain, so I'm just going to use it. So here, starting with A, I'm writing some qualities I like about a person. In case you don't know what all qualities you can. So you can even Google it and you'll find amazing words you can use for your person or any friend, even your family member, to whomsoever you want to give this. And it's really a very thoughtful gift. And for the last one, you again need a square shaped chart paper. Fold it like this. Once you will open it, after that again fold it in triangular shape like this. See carefully because it can be little confusing. After that, hold both the opposite ends together and press it like this so that you can close it in a very beautiful manner. Now I took this pattern paper. I made a small square shape and these small triangles also. Now I'm just going to paste them randomly. So here I'm going to paste the square shape on the top and these two small triangles in this manner. Also, by taking equal measurements, I made these two triangles and now I'm going to paste them like this. Also, these two cute hearts, I cut it out from this pattern paper only. Now take another color pattern paper and stick it like this from both the sides. Now write any message or any memory or any wish. It is totally up to you for what occasion you are using this. And you can simply close it. After that, take a chart paper, write whatever you want to write. I am making it for my best friend, so I'm just going to write BFF using the alphabet stickers. And it is ready. So when you open it, it really looks very beautiful.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I had a number of more such ideas, but I just couldn't put them all together in this single video. So I'm planning to make another part of this video. Also, you people can join me on Instagram. I'll be giving its link in my description box.